Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Sama Javed and I welcome you all in the History Club once again. I'm here with another wonderful activity of history. So let's see the name of the activities. Let's enter the history zone of years with the important events. So it is quite clear that in this activity we are going to study the years and the relevant and the important events which took place in the particular year. Now here you can see different years are written and different colors are given to the year. So here you can see 1947, 1948, 49, 1950, 51, 1952 and 1953, 54, 55 and 56. So all together 5 and 5, 10 years are given over here. So we are going to study that what are the major events of these 10 years. So and the color given to them is they are just identifying that what are the events of this particular color. So let's have a look on year number 1. Here we go with year number 1 and it is 1947, and in this year major achievements were done and the date was 30th September 1947, and the achievement was, first of all, Pakistan came into being. We all are aware about it. And the second achievement of this year is Pakistan became a member of UN by a unanimous vote of the Security Council. Now we are moving to a year number 2 and this is 1948, and in this particular year major inaugurations were done, and one of the most important inauguration was Quaid-e-Azam inaugurated the State Bank of Pakistan, and it was inaugurated on 1st of July 1948. Then we are moving to our year 1949, and this year was a peaceful year. So we can see that blessing of peace, and white color is an indication of the peace. So here the color white is just showing that it was a peaceful year. And on 1st of January 1949, United Nations ceased fire line established between Pakistan Kashmir Indian held in Kashmir, as it was a war going on with Pakistan and Kashmir, so their fire line was seized. So there was a blessing and the year was considered as a year of peace. Now we are moving toward the next year, and this is the year 1950, and in this year major agreements were done, and one of the agreement which I can show you over here is it was have an agreement on 8 April 1950, and Liaquat Nehru Pact is signed in New Delhi on measures to deal with the major inter-dominion problems. Now here is another year which is 1951, and this was the year of stability of education. Here certain educational policies were stabled, and 11th May 1951 was the date when education system was upgraded and University of Karachi was established. Now another year is 1952, and in this year major unification were done, and 21st August 1952 was the date when Pakistan and India agreed on the boundary pact between East Bengal and West Bengal. Now here we are discussing 1953, and this is the year of grief and sadness as our Kashmir martyrs were just observed. On 16th of August 1953, Kashmir Martyrs Day was observed throughout the Pakistan. It was a grieving year because so many Kashmiris were martyred. Now the next year is 1954, and this was the year of approval. Certain agreements were approved and certain other matters were approved, and the main event took place in this particular year was 7th August. It was took place on 7th August 1954. Government of Pakistan approved the national anthem, which was written by Abul Asr Hafiz Jalandhari and composed by Ahmad G. Chagla. Now the another year was 1955, and this was the year when advanced services were given to the public sector, and 1st January 1955 was exactly the date when Pakistan International Airlines PIA came into being. Now the last year was 1956. This was the year of Constitution, and 21st February 1956 was the exact date when Constitution was passed and the Assembly decided the country shall be a federal republic which will be known as Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Hope you all have understood and about the years and the events, and this was all for today's history activity. I hope you have just concluded so many years, so many events have came in your notice. So this is the time to say Allah Hafiz, Jazakallah Khair.